Okay, what I want you to see today is going through the rectifier to one of my favorite items, which is the mailbag delivery. And on this case, I had to make the little arm. It was missing on this particular part. So I've just completed it, got the new arm in, and I'm going to turn on the power, and I'll try to reach around, see what you think. So when this arm hits the piece in the track, it's energized and the arm's going to fly out. It feels like there's enough force there to throw out a mailbag and grab one and pull it in. Well, it's the spring force pulling it in, so it has to be, right? So if it can overcome the spring and the spring can pull it back, then it has to be. One thing I wanted, so it's quiet. That's the other part. It's not, you know, like the other day when I didn't do it. I can show you what that means. If you missed that part, I can go back to pure AC. What you were seeing there was DC. Now I'll show you AC off the transformer. Noisy, flappy, not good. So we're going to bypass that. We're going to put a rectifier in this device. Plenty of room here and there, and we're going to soften up that sound. The other thing I wanted to show you was how I had constructed this. I had a piece of steel that was the exact same thickness as another one, and I put in a motor spring. I cut it down and sized it so it just fit, and I bent the arm. May have to bend it a little more, but you can see it's quite stable and strong, and now I just need to put some wheels in it and I can go test on this. And I already have a nice red shell, and I'm going to use this on my Corvette train. Corvette needs to deliver the mail. You know, they got the timing schedules or the repair parts requirements or whatever, the driver's schedule. Mail has to go out regardless of what kind of train. The Corvette train, the Oz train, all trains need to have mail, in my opinion. And so I'm going to put this together. I'll show it to you another day. But I was able to get this together, made this part in the last 30 minutes from scratch. I don't know if I can show you. Yeah. Here's the metal I cut it out of. Tin snips. Filed it, drilled it, bent it, filed it some more. Bingo. Works like a charm. Okay, that's it for tonight. Later, Gator.